Let's create an indicator template on TradingView. Now in front of us, we have a blank, clean chart. We go to indicators and we add a moving average, a simple moving average, and a VWAP. So here's a chart with these three technical indicators. Let's change the settings as we want. EMA 9, I don't like the color. I'm gonna use green. SMA 9, I want to change it to 30 and change the color to reddish. And VWAP, I don't want these other bands, and I want it to show only under day. So when I go to hourly, you can see the moving averages and the VWAP. When we go to daily, we can only see these two moving averages. Okay, now let's save this indicator template. We go to the indicator template icon, we click and we click on Save Indicator Template. Let's call it TradingTech 1. If we click on Remember Symbol, whenever we load it, it will load with Apple. And Remember Interval, it will load on the daily. And now we save. Now, how do I access this indicator template? I go back to my indicator templates and I look for it and I click on the star. You see automatically it loads here under T. Now let's load it. Let me go to another template. This is a clean one. It has nothing on. Now in my workflow, in my trading day, I want to access the TradingTech template. I move up here. I find it. Boom, I click on it. It loads automatically. But the indicator template tool is not only for technical indicators, it's also for financial and fundamental. So let's go to the indicator templates, open template, and I have here saved free cash flow and share buyback templates that you can find by going to financials. So let's say we want to use the enterprise value template. We click on it here, update the charts if there is an update of the script, choose a time frame that works for you. Let's go for weekly. And you can see here that the enterprise value of Apple was moving. Let's remove this. And enterprise value to revenue, let's also remove that, which leaves us with EV to EBITDA. Let's load some other financial templates. Buyback and dividend yield. I want to see how Apple is using its cash to buy back shares and what kind of dividend it's paying to shareholders. Now it's comparing it with a 10-year yield. Let's remove it. The buyback yield here is very, very low because the share price went up. So the buyback yield you're getting is only 2%, kind of low. It was double here when the stock price crashed. So now let's clean this preloaded template and build our own one. Let's build our own financial indicator template. So we go to indicators, we go to fundamentals, and we can choose from the income statement, the balance sheet, cash flow, or any other statistics. So I want to see what the dividend yield is, and I want to see what price to cash flow is. So price to cash flow is at 37 times, and the dividend yield sits at 40 basis points. How do I save this template? I go to indicator template, save basic fundamentals. I check remember symbol, remember interval, and I save. But say I want to carry out the same research process using the same template on Microsoft. I just type MSFT, I click on it and you can see my template is loaded right here on the Microsoft chart. Now, if I want to remove all these indicators, I just go to my clean template and I can use the shortcut bar here to change from one template to the other, whether financial or technical. This is a technical one. And if I want to change the templates in the toolbar, I go here and I unfavorite them. Here they are, all of them. And I choose which ones I want to keep. A very simple way to build your own templates, save them and load them. Subscribe for more tutorials, tips, and tricks.